BJP MLA Janardhan Reddy has written separate letters to Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah and Union Home Minister Amit Shah demanding immediate Z-category security following violent clashes in Ballari on 1st January. Reddy alleged that the incident was not a routine political confrontation but a pre-planned and systematic attempt to assassinate him. The violence erupted during a dispute over the installation of a banner ahead of the unveiling of a Valmiki statue. Reddy claimed that the clashes reflected a complete breakdown of law and order in Ballari. He has also been booked in connection with the incident along with others. In his representation to Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, the former minister accused Ballari Congress MLA Nara Bharat Reddy and his associates of orchestrating the attack on his residence. He alleged serious police inaction and negligence, stating that the threat to his life had escalated to the highest possible level. Reddy further alleged that Bharat Reddy's close aide Satish Reddy, along with 40 to 50 armed individuals, trespassed into his premises carrying bottles, stones, clubs, and other weapons while police personnel allegedly failed to intervene. He also claimed that later in the evening, Bharat Reddy arrived near SP Circle with hundreds of supporters armed with clubs, stones, and petrol bombs, triggering large-scale violence. In a separate representation to Union Home Minister Amit Shah, Reddy sought Central Force security, alleging failure on the part of the Congress-led state government to ensure his safety.